Run Codex for free. Here's how. Codex is one of the best coding agents out there. It plans, it writes, it builds whole apps for you. But it's got one problem. It has limits. Every task uses up your tokens and they run out fast. So here's what I want to show you today. The exact same Codex, same power, running for free. And I'll show you the little wrapper we put around it called Agent OS that makes the whole thing simple. Stick with me because the trick behind this is stupid simple once you see it. Let's start with what's on your screen. This is Codex, same tool you already know. But here's the good news. You get a free way to run it. There's a free model you can drop into it called OmniRoot. And OmniRoot opens up over 90 free providers you can code with straight through Codex. You can also plug in another free one called HY3, all free. Now you're probably thinking, okay, but what can I actually build with this? Fair. So we've got a workspace here where we build stuff, little pages, games, websites, apps, tools, all running on that free brain, same Codex power. I call this the free Codex engine. And quick heads up, HY3 is free until the 21st of July. After that, you just lean on OmniRoot, which is free forever anyway. So you're covered either way. Now here's the move. We took Codex and dropped it inside our Agent OS, our agent operating system. Why bother? Because Agent OS ties it all together. It links to memory, so your agent remembers things. All your tools sit in one spot, and you can flip to Codex whenever you want and code right there in the chat. There's an auto-approve mode, and there's goal mode, which I'll come back to because that one's the fun part. Let me break Codex down into three pieces. That's really all this is. Piece one, the hands. That's Codex itself. You give it a job, it writes the files, runs the commands, checks its work. The hands are free to install, always were. Piece two, the brain. That's the model. Normally you'd use a limited one. Instead, we plug in OmniRoot. It's a free API and it runs right on your own machine. It gives you a little local address and you point Codex at that address. Boom, free thinking. And it works across your other tools too. We've even got free Claude code running inside Agent OS the same way. Piece three, the swap. This is the whole secret. It's one small file. Codex lets you set your own model provider so that one file just says, hey Codex, talk to OmniRoot instead. That's it. And your normal OpenAI login, never touched. Nothing breaks. It all stays separate and clean. So that's the setup. You edit that one Codex file. If you're using HY3, you drop in your key. If you're using OmniRoot, you point to it, then Codex does its thing, packs up the task with its tools, and the free brain does the actual work. Now you might ask, why even use Codex? Why not just use the free model by itself? Here's why. Codex is a great set of hands. You get its whole harness, the planning, the file writing, the command running, and you run it on a free brain. Best of both. And here's the thing most people don't get about free models. On their own, they used to fall apart. They couldn't really drive an agent. They'd trip over something called tool calls, which just means the model actually doing things instead of just talking. It would get halfway through a job and freeze. So you were kind of stuck using the stronger brain for everything, even the small stuff. Now, Codex handles the doing, the free brain handles the thinking, and it just works. That's the part that changed everything. Quick example of how you'd actually put this to work. You could tell Codex, build me a clean landing page for the AI Profit Boardroom that shows how AI automation saves business owners time and brings in more customers. It builds the whole thing while you go grab a coffee. Let me stay on that for a second because the kind of stuff you can build here is wider than people think. You could have it whip up a simple sign-up page for a free workshop or a little quiz that helps people figure out which AI tool fits them, or a landing page that lays out everything the AI Profit Boardroom gives you, laid out clean and clear, so anyone lands on it and gets it right away. You just tell it what you want in plain words, and it goes and builds it. No design skills, no code, just you describing the thing you wish you had. Here's why this matters so much. Codex used to be my favorite pair of hands, but every task chewed through tokens, and if you run long jobs, they drain fast. That's where goal mode comes in. Inside Agent OS, you give it a goal, and it just runs on its own for hours. So imagine setting a goal at night and letting it build while you sleep. The old problem was, what happens when your tokens run out at 3 in the morning? Your agent just dies, job half done. But with a free brain plugged in, it keeps going. No limit, no stopping. And that changes how you even think about building. Normally you sit there and babysit the thing, watching every step, jumping in when it stalls. Now you just point it at a goal and walk away. Go make dinner, go to bed, come back, and there's a finished website sitting there waiting for you. It's a weird feeling the first time. You almost don't trust it. But once you see it work, you start handing it bigger and bigger jobs. Let me pause here for a sec, because if you're watching this thinking, just give me the whole thing set up, I've got you. We've already built this entire setup inside the iProfit Boardroom, the full Agent OS with the free Codex engine wired in and ready. You head to the classroom, go to the daily update section, and it's right there. We update it every day so it's fresh. You get a step-by-step video, a full walkthrough, and the actual zip file. You download it, install it, done. No wiring it up yourself. There are business owners in there right now running this exact setup, using goal mode to build landing pages and tools for their own businesses while they sleep. If you want the full Agent OS with the free Codex engine ready to install, the link's in the comments and description, or just go to aiprofitboardroom.com. Okay, back to it. The other thing I love here is how fast you can switch brains. Say HY3 gets rate limited, which just means it's busy and tells you to wait, no problem. You hit a little drop down and jump to OmniRoot. OmniRoot not right for the job? Switch to GPT 5.6, one drop down. That's it. Now compare that to messing with models inside the Chat GPT app. It's a pain, and you don't even get these free options in there. You can't customize it like this. But with the Codex CLI, the way we're running it, it's easy. It's chill. You're in charge. That switching thing sounds small, but it's a bigger deal than you'd think. Different brains are good at different jobs. One might be great at writing clean layouts. Another might be faster at fixing bugs. When you can hop between them in a second, you just grab the right one for the job and keep moving. You're not locked into one and stuck with whatever it's bad at. You get the strong points of all of them, and you pay nothing to switch. And here's something people miss. The ChatGPT app just rebranded from Codex to Chatwork. If you build straight inside that app, it's easy to lose your work. You can't preview what you made, and whole projects can just vanish. So how do we fix that? The workspace inside Agent OS. Everything you build gets saved. You come back to any project whenever you want, nothing lost. And think about how handy that is day to day. Say you start building a simple tool one morning, then get pulled away. You come back 3 days later, and it's all still sitting there, right where you left it. You pick it back up and keep going. No hunting around, no starting over. That little thing saves you so much hassle once you build more than one project. Now, is any of this technical? A little if you do it all by hand, but that's the whole point of using the Agent OS from the boardroom. It's already done for you. And look, I'm not a coder, I don't program, I'm not some AI genius, but I run this every day. We've got over 198 pages of people in the community loving the Agent OS, and they're not technical either. If I can do it, you can do it. Let me show you goal mode doing its thing. We told it, create a website and a game and show the game on the website. That's it. It ran on its own, built the game, built the site, looped around and got it all done. No babysitting. Now let me put the old way and the new way side by side, because this is where it really lands. The old way, every task used up your tokens. Codex ran on limited models only. Every loop drained them. So you held back. You didn't experiment. You were scared to let it run because the tokens never lasted. Want to try a new model? New keys, new tools, new setup. It piled up. So most people just stopped using it. The new way, one profile file set up once, then a drop down to pick your brain. Real agent builds we've already tested. A 260K context window agent for free, and context window just means how much the agent can hold in its head at once. Bigger is better. And your OpenAI setup stays totally untouched, safe, and separate. So think about what that opens up. You let agents run overnight for free. You test wild ideas without watching your tokens drain. You build landing pages, tools, apps, games, all on a free brain. A month ago, that was locked away. Now it's wide open. And the people who set this up early, they get a serious head start while everyone else is still burning through their limits. And that head start is bigger than it sounds. When running an agent costs you nothing, you stop being careful with it. You throw 10 ideas at it instead of one. You let it fail, fix it, and run it again. That's how you actually get good at this stuff, by doing it over and over without holding back. The people stuck watching their limits never get those reps. You will. Here's the other side of it too. Once you're not worried about running out, you start using this for real work, not just playing around. You build the thing your business actually needs. A page to bring in new people, a tool that saves you an hour every morning, a little app your team can use, stuff you kept putting off because it felt like too much. Now you just describe it, let it run, and it's done. That's when this stops being a cool trick and starts being something you use every single day. Here's everything you get when it's all wired together in Agent OS. The OmniRoot coder, free Claude code, the HY3 coder, a memory system, and a stack of other tools. And we improve it every single day based on what the community asks for. So if you want this whole thing, the full Agent OS with the free Codex engine already built in, come grab it inside the AI Profit boardroom. You download the zip file and install it. That simple.